In a world of diplomacy, there is a new update. The United States accused Yemen's Houthi rebels of kidnapping crew members from a commercial ship that they attacked in the Red Sea earlier this particular week. Well, the cargo vessel Eternity Sea, flying the Liberian flag, was hit by missiles and a drone boat, and later it sank, marking one of the deadliest incidents in months in this tragic waterway. After that, the United States Embassy in Yemen didn't hold back. In a very straightforward message on social media, they said that Houthis killed crew members, sank the ship, obstructed rescue missions, and then kidnapped the survivors. They are now demanding the immediate and unconditional release of the kidnapped crew. But who are these crew members? Well, the Eternity Sea had 25 people on board. So far, at least one person is confirmed dead and 10 have been rescued, including sailors from the Philippines and a Greek security officer, and this is according to the European Union. Well, 10 people are still missing over here and 4 haven't been seen since the attack. But let me give you an update. The ship wasn't on any military mission. In fact, it had just delivered humanitarian aid on behalf of United Nations food program to Somalia, and it was on its way to refuel in Saudi Arabia. Despite this, the Houthis claimed that it was targeted because it was allegedly headed towards Israel, and they took credit for sinking the ship using 6 missiles and an unmanned explosive boat. Now, this wasn't an isolated event. Just days before the Eternity Sea attack, the Houthis also struck the Magic Seas, a Greek-owned ship. Luckily, the crew was rescued. But you know what? These back-to-back strikes are alarming because they come after a period of relative calm. Many believe the Houthi attacks had slowed down following a United States-led 52-day military campaign earlier this year and May 6 ceasefire brokered by Oman. However, the Houthis have now made their intentions crystal clear. In their own words, they say that they are targeting all ships linked to Israel or Israeli allies, demanding an end to war in Gaza and the lifting of the blockage. They have warned that they will continue attacking both in the Red Sea and Arabian Sea, and they even claim that they are still striking the depth of occupied Palestine. Now, this rising aggression is not just about ships. It's about regional proxy war, with Iran-backed Houthis using the Red Sea as a battleground to pressure Israel and its allies over the war in Gaza. And while the US and European Union forces are trying to protect the global trade routes, shipping companies are now rerouting vessels away from this particular route, which adds billions of extra fuel and insurance costs and disrupt the global supply chain. Well, the US and its allies may be forced to resume military action to protect their ships. In the meantime, the fate of the missing and kidnapped crew member hangs in balance. Now, for the world who's watching, this is more than just a shipping crisis. It is a sign of how deeply the Gaza conflict has rippled across the region, turning ocean into war zones. And if the Houthis continue to strike, we may see even a bigger clash on the water with consequences that could stretch far beyond the Middle East. So stay alert, this Red Sea storm is far from over.